So friends, I am showing you one demonstration related to one concept of physics. Please see, there are some holes as you can see here in front of you, and you can see that as I am starting to move these holes, there is these holes are moving, revolving around, and as you can see that behind this a picture is visible to you, an image of a boy is visible to you. So this is what the thing when holes were stationary, you were not able to see the image, but the moment I start moving them, then you are able to see the image. Now what is the reason behind it? In this particular video I have decreased the speed. If I decrease the speed of the video, then what will happen that the number of images which are coming on the screen, they are coming slowly, okay, and because of that, as you can see the difference here, you can see the difference here, you can see those strips which were earlier not coming, okay. Now because you can say basically that you have done it in slow motion, and because we are doing it in slow motion, that's why it is happening. Whatever you guessed is absolutely correct. It is the persistence of vision because of which it happens. Persistence of vision says that the image which is formed on our retina, it remains there for 1/16th part of a second, and that's why what happens that with that image in continuity, if you show the another, then these images, they don't come as discrete, but they appear continuous to us, and that is what happens in movies, that we call it actually it is motion picture cinematography, where number of images are shown to you in a particular time. Our brain and eye, they can manage up to 10 to 12 images in a second, but if you see more than that, or if more than that images, 10 to 12 images are shown to us, then these images won't appear separate, but they will appear continuous to us, and that is what is done in animations, that is what is done in motion picture cinematography, that we call it movies.